Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you enjoy tech reviews, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Today we are checking out the Megatek portable CD player Boombox in cherry red. This unit is packed with features, offering versatility for any music lover. First off, it's designed for simplicity with large buttons, top dials, and a clear backlit LCD screen, making it easy for anyone to use, whether you are at home or on the go. It's portable and compact, measuring about 11.8 by 9.5 by 5.3 inches. For sound, you get clear stereo audio from dual 3-inch front-firing speakers, and you can even customize your listening with 5 different EQ modes. The top-loading CD player is versatile, handling standard CDs, CDR, RWs, CDG discs, audiobooks, and even MP3 or WMA discs, complete with shuffle, repeat, and resume functions. Beyond CDs, there's a digital FM radio tuner that lets you save up to 30 stations. Connectivity is excellent. It features Bluetooth reception so you can wirelessly stream from your phone or tablet, though keep in mind it is receiver only, no transmission. You can also plug in with the 3.5mm AUX input, or use the USB port which supports MP3 and WMA files up to 128 GB. For private listening, there's a handy headphone jack. Powering this is flexible too. You can use the included AC cord for continuous playback, or drop in 4C batteries for true portability. The Megatek Boombox gives you all the classic playback options alongside modern wireless connectivity in one stylish package. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next review.